Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics are done because iCloud depends on your Apple ID and system software. Once you confirm Wi-Fi and update iOS, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, enter your Apple ID and password, then complete two-factor prompts if asked. This authenticates the device and creates the secure link to iCloud. Make sure cellular backup is allowed only if you accept data use. Next, you'll choose which iCloud services to enable. Now you decide what to sync because iCloud stores different data types separately. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Toggle Photos to preserve originals or enable Optimize iPhone storage to save space. Turn on Contacts, Calendars, Notes, and iCloud Drive so those items sync automatically. Next, enable iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now to capture a fresh device image. This ensures app data and settings are safe. If 5 GB is insufficient, Manage Storage lets you upgrade your plan. Finish by verifying that the backup completed and that syncing shows current data. Go to iCloud Backup and read the last successful backup time. This confirms the cloud copy is ready. If you ever set up a new device or erase this one, choose Restore from iCloud Backup during setup and pick the backup date. If things go wrong, try the single key troubleshooting step. Sign out of iCloud, restart the iPhone, then sign back in. This often forces a fresh sync and resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.